So macOS Ventura 13.1 just got released, and I've got it here as a software update on my MacBook. And in this video, we're going to firstly install it and then take a look at some of the new features, such as Freeform, Apple's new drawing and creativity app. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Update Now. We're going to agree to the terms. I never read them. Enter my password. And then we're going to download macOS Ventura 13.1 and we're going to see some of these new features. So I'll let you know when it's updated. So we can see how it's downloading it. It's kind of a big file, 2.53 gigabytes. This is a MacBook Air M1. I assume that it would be more if it was some of the high-powered Macs. But this is still kind of a big file, but this is a normal feature update. So if we go and take a look at Apple macOS Ventura 13.1 update on MacBook, we can go and check this MacRumors article and we can see that it's added Freeform, advanced data protection, Find My improvements, and more. And so while it's updating, it's currently just downloading it still. We're gonna read through this article so we can see a bit more of what it's gonna be about. It says, today's macOS Ventura update introduces the Freeform app, designed to allow users to sketch, draw, and write on a blank whiteboard-style canvas that can be used with friends and colleagues. It also includes advanced data protection for iCloud, expanding end-to-end encryption to iCloud, backup, notes, photos, and more. And I've already covered these security updates in another video, so if you want to see that, check the card up here or check the description, and I went through a whole bunch of Apple security updates in the last video. Apple says, quote, Freeform is a new app for working creatively with friends or colleagues on the Mac, iPad, and iPhone. A flexible canvas lets you add files, images, stickies, and more. Blah, 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 advanced data protection. Check out the video up there to learn more. This update also includes the following improvements and bug fixes: improved searches and messages, participant cursors and notes, so it's like on Google Docs, so you can see who's editing. That's kind of smart. Play sound in the Find My app. Fixes an issue that causes some notes not to sync with iCloud. Fixes an issue where you may lose keyboard and mouse input in some apps and games. So if we go and take a look at this, it says about 20 minutes remaining, so an update process takes a long time. So I'll screen record it and I'll let you know when I'm done. So while that's updating, let's take a look at what Freeform actually is, because it is the star feature of this update. And so I've got this Apple press release here. Apple launches Freeform, a powerful new app designed for creative brainstorming and collaboration. Freeform for the iPhone, iPad, and Mac makes visual collaboration easier than ever. And you can see this photo sums it up. Basically, it's an unlimited canvas, a whiteboard sort of on your device, so you can like jot down ideas, etc. And I feel like for school, I feel like it would be good so that I can like make timelines, write down notes. So I'm looking forward to start using it and testing it. It says, the app offers a variety of brush styles and color options to sketch ideas, add comments, and draw diagrams. iPhone and iPad users can draw anywhere on the canvas with a finger, and with the support of the Apple Pencil, Freeform makes it easier than ever to sketch ideas on the iPad while on the go. Supports a wide range of files, including photos, videos, audio, documents, PDFs, links to websites, map location links, sticky notes, shapes, diagrams, and more. iPhone and iPad cameras can even be used to insert an image or scan doc directly onto the board. A full shapes library. And there we have it. The MacBook is finished updating. If we go into software update, we can see that it should hopefully come up with macOS Ventura 13.1. There you go. macOS Ventura 13.1 is updated. So if I pull up Alfred here, you can see that Freeform opens. It says, get creative, sketch out a project, design a mood board, brainstorm ideas, and so much more. Build your board, add media, files, links, text, and more anywhere on the board to design your creative space. Collaborate with others, invite people to your board, and develop your best ideas in real time. And you can enable iCloud syncing. How you do that is you go into your iCloud settings, you go into iCloud, and you turn on Freeform in iCloud. basically saying that you want to merge it with iCloud data. And this is also a good chance to say, here's this advanced data protection feature that you can basically protect your data like with all end-to-end encryption of basically everything. And if you want to see that video, again, it's linked down in the description and also in the cards at the top. We've seen that we've got this board, and so let's test it out a bit. So you can add sticky notes. And then you've obviously got the shapes library to sort of link things. There's all sorts of objects. Check how much canvas you've got. So much canvas. So you can basically draw anything on it. You've also got things from documents and files. So you can obviously add photos and videos as well. So I can go on my iPad and I can say, take photo, and I can take a photo of Freeform itself, click use photo, and there you go. It pops it into Freeform. I can enlarge it, I can add arrows to it, etc. There's plenty of different things you can do with Freeform, and I want to do a full video on this, so if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe down below, and I'll probably do a video on Freeform in the new year after Christmas and all that's over. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's sort of the main points of macOS 13.1, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.